Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to make a CAPTCHA field in our form in Django. Now for this you need to install a package called Django simple dash apt pip install Django simple CAPTCHA, and in my case I have already installed it, so in your case you should install this. Okay, now let me create a new Django project and let me change into this CAPTCHA directory. Okay, now I will create a new Django app app. Let me name this simply app, and I'll open VS Code in this folder. Yeah, the first thing we need to do is we need to configure our URLs. Okay, include this, and now we need to add a path to link to our CAPTCHA package that we installed. This is CAPTCHA include .urls, yeah, URLs, and we need to link the empty route to our app. No, yeah, okay. Now we need to add our CAPTCHA to the list of installed apps. Let me do it. Where is it installed? Yeah, yes. Okay, let me first add my app and CAPTCHA. This is the name of the package we installed, and then now we are done with this setup. And now we need to configure the URLs for our app. Okay, let me add a new file. Import path, import views. Okay, now URL patterns. I'll simply keep this as empty path. Install now. Yeah, okay. Let me go to my views, and now I need to, yeah, first let me create a form. So ms, yeah, let me create a form to hold my CAPTCHA from Django import, yeah, from Django import forms, and from Django dot, now from CAPTCHA dot fields import, yeah, from import CAPTCHA field. Okay, I'll create a new form, and here we'll keep only one field CAPTCHA, which is of type CAPTCHA field. Okay, now let me get back to my views. Yeah, and from dot import my form, and I will use messages framework. So I am importing messages. Okay, let me write my view request my form, and I'm collecting my data posted from my template, which will create in a moment. If this form is valid and message start success request else triple S only single S messages dot I'll send WRONG wrong captcha. Okay, now so whatever the case, if it is post or get, we will render an empty form. If it is post, we will receive that form and we will display messages accordingly. Let's start .html. Okay, now we are done with this. We need to create a template. I will keep it simple and I will create an templates and home.html. Okay, home.html. HTML5, and for this we need, I'm using Bootstrap, so we need to get the Bootstrap CDN. Okay, now to get Bootstrap CDN, okay, I'm Bootstrap CDN. Yeah, the quick start. We'll copy this and we'll paste it here. Okay, now I'll give it a heading and these are all Bootstrap classes. These aren't necessary, but I am doing this to look good, or web page to look good. Okay, and we will iterate to messages. If there are any messages, and we'll iterate. And alert text center MT5 dot text, and here we will display our message. Okay, and we need to end this for. I don't know why the curly braces are getting disappeared. If, yeah. Okay, now we need to render our form, and I will give the class of for this text center and MT5. Okay, and we need CSRF token. This page is necessary, but it is my preference. Form dot. This is the only field our form contains. Input type equal to submit value equal to submit and class. That's it. We are done. Now before running our server, we need to make migrations. Okay, now I need to migrate it. First, I need to run my server. Manage.py. I guess this works without any error. Let's hope. Yeah, yeah. Let me type it correctly in the first time. And the message success should be displayed. Maybe I think I misspelled it. Yeah, I misspelled. Oh, okay. Now this should work correctly. Okay. SKJH. Okay. Now let me LQBC. This is wrong. It will show wrong captcha. Yes, that's it, guys. I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching.